Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodwork. So John over here brought this Ford Transit high roof over to me, and he wanted to get a couple things done. What were you looking to get done in this van, just to kind of make it a little more homey feeling and roomy before you kind of know exactly what you want to do to it?
Yeah, I just I definitely knew I wanted a good floor, and I did a cedar side here just to kind of break it up, and you know, you did real nice paneling it all up. And
yeah, pretty much kind of brought it to me like with like nothing in here. He had put some of this little kill mat in here for a sound deadening around the sides here and a little bit on the ceiling, but to put like a solid floor in here is like a perfect base to kind of start your build. And you know, eventually you want to put like a bed right here with some storage for your surfboards and all that good stuff. Put like a little bit of insulation down there to make it a lot quieter, and obviously to insulate the floor. Cut out right here for the little tire access point. A little bit of carpet here just to kind of, so you kind of don't see that insulation underneath there. And your reasoning for like wanting to like build into this like little circle was so you can get that extra couple inches. You're a little bit taller than me, obviously.
Yeah, I'm tall, so I wanted to be able to stand here, and like in the future for the bed, you know, just using the space here was a key. Pretty
much like between these panels here is like about 5'8". And if you were to come all the way out to here, it gives you an extra 2 inches on each side, so about 6 foot, 6'1".
Yep.
So when he does build a bed, you can actually like have like a little bit more sleeping room.
Some decent room.
And obviously behind here we got a bunch of insulation, and up here as well. And then you wanted to put a roof fan vent in, of course, right?
Yeah, we got the roof fan.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Super simple. This is the Max Air one, so you can actually spin it right here to open it. And then once you're ready, just turn on the button right here, and it'll obviously suck air in or blow air out. And then you are going to go with like a battery setup eventually. You think you're in a goal 0?
Yeah, I'm just thinking about it. Something portable, so just keeping my options kind of open and just getting started.
In case you want to take it out of the van and put it somewhere else or something.
Do some power down at the campsite.
Yeah, so we kind of just decided to go with a plug right here. Which I wired up to the battery that's underneath the Ford Transit driver's seat there. So you can actually plug in his Goal Zero here to charge it while he's driving. And then we just kind of brought the wire down for the roof fan vent down into here. Just kind of super simple for now. And then when he puts his Goal Zero battery there, it's just kind of ready to go.
Yep.
And then just kind of cruise on it for a couple weeks, a month, and kind of see what you want to do next, huh?
Got some insulation in there. Yep, that's it. Just gonna be surfing and driving around, so
sweet. Well,
go camping.
Thanks for the work, John.
Yeah,
hope you're happy with it.
Yeah.
And if you want to see any more information for the build, those in the description below. I have links to a couple little products we used. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to get back to you. See you guys next time.